Lawrence Neal here from corporatewarrior.co. So a while back, I was having a conversation with a very successful high-intensity training business CEO. And he was explaining to me how you can generate more profits and work with more clients per unit of time without diminishing the quality of the workout using group training. Now, many of us know how important supervision is. The literature clearly shows that supervised workouts do tend to get people better results. And this particular business are very appreciative of that and value that highly. And so the ratio that they use for group training is never worse than 3 clients to 1 trainer. And the biggest groups they will manage are 7 clients to 3 trainers. And they found this to be very, very profitable for their business. It's increased profits by 20%, and it might be what you need to generate more profit in your business, especially if you have limitations in terms of trainers or number of studios. It might be that you can generate more profit out of your existing studio using something like group training. I'm Lawrence Neal, and I will speak to you soon.